Smart devices such as tablets, smartphones, and laptops have revolutionized the way we access and consume information. Students today have access to a wealth of knowledge at their fingertips, which was previously unavailable. These devices have made learning more convenient, efficient, and personalized. Firstly, the use of smart devices has made learning more convenient. Students can access educational materials at any time, anywhere. They no longer need to carry heavy textbooks or wait for the library to open to do research. With a simple Google search, students can find answers to any question they may have. This convenience has made learning more accessible and has increased the overall motivation to learn. Secondly, smart devices have made learning more efficient. Students can access videos, audio recordings, and other multimedia materials that help them understand concepts better. This technology has made learning more engaging and has resulted in better retention of information. Lastly, smart devices have made learning more personalized. With the help of algorithms and data analysis, educational applications can personalize the learning experience for each student. These applications can identify the strengths and weaknesses of individual students and provide them with appropriate learning materials. In conclusion, the impact of smart devices on education has been overwhelmingly positive. These devices have made learning more convenient, efficient, and personalized. They have revolutionized the way we access and consume information and have made education more accessible to everyone.